Hello, welcome to Sorrel's Review. The time is, and I'm making Maruchan Yakisoba savory soy sauce. Ooh. So, I've already gone ahead and boiled the water, so I'm gonna put the noodle brick in. And all of the noodles. So, it may look a little dark, but there's a reason for that, so don't worry about it. So, once you put the noodles in, you wanna wait for it to, you wanna wait for the noodles to get soft. That's how you make noodles, but, so let's wait for them to get soft. A few facts about yakisoba. It's good. Apparently it comes with not one, but 2 flavor packets, which is a little nuts if you ask me. But you know, I'm no expert, so I'm just a consumer. I just eat the noodles. And then that's it. I just eat the noodles, and then that's it. Fuck. But you see, they're getting softer. Before when they were in brick form, I would not have been able to stick my fork into here. But now, I can stick my fork into them. Holy shit, they're really soft right now. So I am going to turn off the heat. Go over to this really, really dark sink that you can't see right now. Dump some water. The reason I'm doing this is because the sauce packets. You don't want too much water. It's yakisoba, not yaki water. That's just facts of life. Okay, this isn't working as well as I'd hoped it would. So I'm gonna stick a fork in here to stop the noodles from spilling out, and then pour. You may ask, why not just use a strainer? Because I'm a fucking moron. Alright. Oh, wonderful. I absolutely lost some noodles there, but, you know, it's not quantity, it's quality we're making here. So you pour the noodles in there, and then, rip open the packets with your teeth. I did not rip that open fully. Fuck that packet, we don't actually need it. Okay. Second sauce, my finger was in there, I'm so sorry. Second sauce packet. Oh. And then you mix it all in there, all nice. And this is gonna taste just like savory soy sauce, like your mama's, your grandma's. You remember going there as a kid and she'd make you a bowl. Savory soy sauce, it tastes just like grandma's. So I hope you enjoy this low quality, low light guide on how to make yakisoba from scratch, 100%. Once I'm done mixing, I'm going to be getting a little bit of light in on here. Delicious.